Mayor Enrico Roque was arrested in a Christmas party in Bulacan for rape last night. Roque, his councilor John Rojas, and an unnamed individual were accused of raping a woman in Caloocan in 2019. The accused individuals refused to give a comment on the matter. They are currently detained in the Northern Police District.
Nalaman nga namin na si Mayor ay nasa Amana Resort sa Pandi, Bulacan. So, during that time, ongoing yung program. Tapos, inantay po namin silang matapos. Pagkatapos ng program, nung papaalis na po si Mayor, linapitan po natin, kinausap natin siya ng maayos. And nag-respond po naman ng maayos.
Actually, parang I think the rape happened somewhat 5 years ago, and yung victim was medyo bata-bata pa ng konti.
Siguro at that time takot pa siya, di ba?
Tapos yung e-warrant kasi the warrant was issued via yung electronic. So parang tinitignan ng police, parang may database of warrant. So each station kasi they check yung system nila kung ano yung mga warrant na naka-out sa court sa area nila. Parang hindi na kailangan maghintay pa ng physical copy sa court. Nung tinignan nila itong e-warrant, hindi nga nila alam mayor itong tao, hinanap nila yung location, nalaman nila sa Pandi, Bulacan, pinuntahan nila sa Christmas party, mayor pala daw at councilor. Pero just the same, tinupad nila yung work nila na hulihin si mayor with an issue that happened 5 years. Kasama daw ni mayor yung councilor.
Oo, kasama sa doon sa mga nang-rape.
Nakaka-irita yung mga ganito. Ano ba naman kayo? Kung totoo, ano ba naman kayo?
Yes.